We'll guide you through how to color specific faces in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To color specific faces in Blender, begin by opening Blender and starting a new project so you have a clean workspace to work in. Next, select the object you want to edit, for example a default cube, by clicking on it in the viewport. Press Tab on your keyboard to enter edit mode, which allows you to modify the geometry of the object directly. In the top left corner of the viewport, switch to Face Select Mode by clicking the square icon or pressing the number 3 key so you can work with individual faces. Click on the specific face you want to color, making sure it is highlighted. If you need to select multiple faces, hold the Shift key and click on additional faces to include them in your selection. After selecting the faces, go to the Material Properties tab, indicated by the red sphere icon on the right panel. Click the plus button to add a new material slot for the selected object. Then click New to create a new material that will be used for coloring. Adjust the base color setting to your desired color using the color picker or sliders. With the faces still selected, click the Assign button to apply the material specifically to those faces. If you want to color different faces with different colors, repeat the process by selecting a new set of faces. Add another material slot, and click New again to create a separate material. Change the base color to a different color to distinguish it from the previous one. Click Assign once more to apply this new material to the newly selected faces. Finally, switch to Material Preview mode by clicking the top right sphere icon, so you can see the colors clearly with proper lighting and shading. Take a moment to rotate the view and confirm that each face has the correct color applied and that there are no unassigned areas. If something looks incorrect, reselect the face and press Assign again with the correct material active. You can also rename each material in the panel to stay organized when working with multiple colors. Save your project regularly to avoid losing progress as you experiment with different color combinations and designs for better workflow and clearer visual results overall.